Imagine you text an AI, check my calendar, draft the email, and remind me 30 minutes before I leave. And it actually does it because it's running on a real computer that you control. That's the idea behind a new tool going viral right now called Clawdbot. Today, I'll explain what it is, what it can do, and why people are calling it a glimpse of the future of personal AI assistants. If you like AI news without the fluff, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and let's begin. Clawdbot is an open-source, self-hosted AI assistant, meaning it runs on your own hardware or server, not just inside a website like typical chatbots. The big twist is how you talk to it. Instead of learning a new app, you message it inside chat platforms you already use, like Telegram, WhatsApp, iMessage, Slack, Discord, and more. It basically has two parts: an AI agent running on your computer, plus a gateway that connects it to your chat app. And that runs on your machine part matters, because it's what gives Clawdbot real power and also real responsibility. So what can it actually do? First, Clawdbot can keep persistent memory, so it doesn't feel like you're starting from zero every day. Its memories and settings are stored locally as real folders and markdown files you can inspect and edit. Second, it's designed to be proactive, not just reactive, so it can send you briefings, reminders, and updates instead of waiting for you to ask. Third, it can control a browser, browsing websites, filling in forms, and pulling information from pages. And fourth, this is the spicy one. It can get system-level access, reading and writing files, running commands, and executing scripts depending on how you configure it. If you're thinking, so, is this just like ChatGPT? Not exactly. ChatGPT answers you. Clawdbot can operate. It's also built around skills and plugins, extensions that add new capabilities, and you can use community-made skills or build your own. One breakdown frames it as 4 parts: a gateway for messaging connections and scheduling, an agent where your model runs, skills as extensions, and memory for long-term context. Here's why people are excited. Because it lives on your machine, it can sometimes create or modify workflows without needing a stack of separate automation subscriptions. Now, what do you need, and who is this for? Clawdbot is positioned to work across macOS, Windows, and Linux. And it's designed so you can choose the model provider you connect, like Anthropic or OpenAI, or even run local models. The official site also emphasizes private by default, since the assistant's core runs on hardware you control. But I want to be clear, this isn't a casual download an app and vibe assistant for everyone yet. There can be a learning curve, and if you're self-hosting, you're responsible for setup and maintenance. And because it can access files, run commands, and automate accounts, you should treat it like giving a capable assistant real keys to your digital life. My personal rule: start with low-risk tasks, planning, summaries, drafts, before you ever let it touch email, finances, or anything that can cause real damage. If you do connect sensitive services, use the tightest permissions you can. Quick cost reality check. The software is described as free and open source, but you'll usually still pay for where it runs and whichever AI model you connect it to. One example given is running it on a low-cost VPS around $5 per month, then bringing your own model access through a provider, or using local models if you prefer. So that's Clawdbot. A chat-based AI assistant that runs on your machine, can remember context, connects to messaging apps, and, if you allow it, can control a browser and your computer through skills and automation. If you want, I can do a follow-up episode on the safest way to test Clawdbot, plus the first 5 automations that are actually worth setting up. Comment Claw if you want that, and subscribe for more AI news you can actually use.